Hey y'all, so I am here with a declutter and clean my room motivation video, and my first one. So I wanted to just show you how I would deep clean my room for the most part and just kind of decluttering. So I'm going through my winter stuff, my like scarves, hats, gloves, and I've decluttered that drawer, and then this is my husband's drawer, and I'm going to go ahead and go through this drawer also and just try to organize it, because my husband's the type of person who'll just throw things in drawers and it's like doesn't make any sense. So I am just organizing our drawers, and then I am refolding everything, getting rid of a lot of stuff. So my original thought was to just, show you every drawer and show you what I do to declutter, show you what I'm decluttering, but I'm like, you know what, that's kind of boring. So I'm just basically organizing the drawers and getting rid of items. I didn't go through every item, show you every drawer. I ended up like cleaning up because it was just faster and easier to just clean up the stuff that I had and not really show you everything that I have. So I'll clean out, this is my nightstand. I will clean out my nightstand and then I'll just wipe everything down. And I had this whole mess of like electronic stuff, and so I just cleaned these drawers out and really got rid of a bunch of stuff and stuff that I don't use, things that I was hanging on to that were more like memorabilia. Like I had a Bible in there, and then someone gave me a book that when my dad had passed away, I kept this book. But really just trying to organize my nightstand because it was getting quite full. And the nightstand that I end up showing you is actually really not the end result, because I did take some more things out of it. So what I was doing when I was decluttering is I was making a trash bag full, like anything that was trash, I was putting it in the trash. I was also making a pile for things that needed to be moved into a different area, like things that didn't belong in there. Like this drawer right here, I had screwdrivers and stuff like that, and I made a pile for that. And then I also had a giveaway pile, so things that were going to be given away, I had a trash bag full for that. So this drawer right here is what I always reach into, and it has like medicines, and then it has like my nail stuff and night creams and stuff like that, just real quick grab stuff. And I really needed to organize this one mostly. And then I also keep snacks in my drawer. I keep like cashews and almonds in there so that I'm reaching for a more healthy snack rather than something, that's bad for me. So there's my drawers, a little bit organized. And then this was kind of like my catch-all drawer. Actually, no, sorry. This drawer was like just miscellaneous. It had all kinds of things in it. And then this here drawer was like my catch-all drawer. And I just had everything under the sun in this drawer. I had my girls', hair stuff, and then I have sunglasses, and then I had all kinds of receipts and stuff that it just accumulated in this drawer. And I'm like, I really need to go to this drawer and decide what is worth keeping and what I need to get rid of. So that's all I'm doing right here, is just cleaning this drawer and giving you a lovely view of my elbow. Yeah, you're seeing quite a lot of my elbow in this shot. So then here I am just going through my kids' hair stuff, and I'm like, they'll never wear this, and going through all that. And then this little pink bag is kind of like a catch-all bag too, because I have like important things in it and a little bit of cash and just stuff that, just accumulates in that bag also. So I'm just going to go through that bag and just decide what needs to go, what needs to go in the trash, and you know how the story goes. Okay, so the junk drawer that I had ended up being my winter stuff drawer. I moved everything up into this drawer, especially right now. The season is winter, and it's been really cold here lately, so I was like, you know what, I need better access to these items. So I went ahead and just tried to organize these as best as I could, started rolling them up, and I put them in this middle drawer. So I'm showing you the shot of the donate bag. That large bag was for donation, and then the middle pile was the garbage pile, and then the third pile was the I need to get rid of. So after all my drawers have been cleaned, I go ahead and dust and wipe everything down. And right now I'm just taking this Myers multi-surface and honeysuckle. I was using that to wipe everything down. And then I wipe all the surfaces of the dressers. I don't show you everything, like every piece of furniture, but I did this to every piece of furniture. I wiped the top, I wiped the sides, anything that is visible, I was wiping it down. And then I'm going to make up my bed, because a made up bed always makes your room look nicer. And then you'll see me climb up on top of the bed in a second, and I'm going to wipe down the headboard also. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the pillowcases on, and then I was missing 2 pillows because actually I had just washed those 2 pillows that I just put the pillowcases on, and then I have 2 pillows that were currently, at the time, they were in the washing machine. I try to do that like every 6 months because my husband and I sweat when we sleep. We like always sweat, especially in the summertime, even in the wintertime when the heater is on. So I like to wash the pillows, and the rule is you do 2 so it doesn't throw your washing machine off balance. So here I am Windexing, I guess you would say. I'm cleaning my windows and dusting, especially behind this little couch. It seems like dust just catches on the windowsills pretty good, and I vacuum. So one of my final steps is to go ahead and clean underneath the bed. I have 2 dogs, so hair just seems to accumulate there, even though they're not under the bed. But I go ahead and vacuum underneath the bed, and then wipe down this mirror, and then that is it. So I didn't show you me cleaning up this little area because I just cleaned it recently, and I'm constantly cleaning this area because it's my makeup area, and I always like for that area to be extra clean. And then this is my nightstand, doggy bed, and then I got the other pillows out of the washing machine and dryer. That little pillow is my husband's like armrest. It doesn't go, but he likes to use it for his armrest. There's his nightstand and his dresser. We had a debate one time. I called it a tall boy, and he didn't believe me. Yes, it's a tall boy. And then the bathroom is for another project, for another video. Here I am. Hello. Hi. Bye. And then the dresser, and that is it. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this gave you a little cleaning motivation. I am currently really into these videos, and I just wanted to do it and show you guys how I clean. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.